I can't go
Okay.
anymore.
Okay, tighten it up good by hand. That's good then.
Okay.
All right. Now, let's put the flapper on. So here's the flapper.
Oh, shit.
Let's do the flapper first.
Okay.
You're fine.
All right.
Yep. Undo this. Take this part off. Here.
Okay.
Comes off. Now you're going to just, on this flapper, you're just going to snap it. This paper comes off.
Okay.
It says remove and discard.
All right.
Now you're going to put the flapper down and you're going to just snap it on top of those stabs that are coming out.
Got it. Stabs. Stabs.
Yep, that goes down.
Yeah, like that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I gotta just stab it on, right?
Yeah, just push it down.
Got one.
Click. You'll hear it click.
There,
Perfect.
boom.
Now, the chain has to attach to this. So what I find is that this chain is too long. Let go of the flapper. Let it drop. And you can see right here, so you want to adjust. You want to take off the end here.
Okay.
Take this piece off, and we're going to make it lower.
All right.
It's too long. So take this end piece off.
Take the end.
Yeah, just slide it around it. You're going to take it and go.
Okay, get it off.
Yeah,
Okay.
get it off.
Got it.
And then you're going to reinstall it lower onto that chain. Okay. Install it based on, look, you know once it's going to hang.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let it go. Give me that piece. You know this is going to sit right here. So you could see how low that chain needs to be.
Got it.
Right? So let's do that. Grab the chain.
Got it.
Let the flapper hit all the way down and kind of get a gauge of where it's going to be, right? So we got right about there. So we go a little bit lower. So right about where my finger is down here.
Yep.
That's where you want to put this on.
Got it.
Okay?
All right.
Yeah. So basically you're just going to use another link. That's it. Flip it all the way around.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, now you want to attach it into, you can attach it there. Yep. It'll drop right down into that.
That's it, right? Or no?
Let me see, let go. Yeah, that's it. Now we're going to test the flapper.
Test the flapper?
Yep. That's perfect. Let go. Absolutely perfect, dude. Okay, let's double check everything. And now we're going to put our fill tube on.
Okay.
We're going to put our fill tube. Now the fill tube goes on the end of here.
Got it.
Because this is going to fill the bowl.
Got
and
it.
this ends up inside here.
All right, so I'll punch it in?
Yeah, so push that in. Make sure you hold it here. You don't break. This is all plastic.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you heat it up with like a match, it'll go on. Now it's not easy to go on because it doesn't want to be easy to come off. Yeah, so just kind of
All right, I think
screw that in as far as you can. So if that falls off,
yeah.
we're just going to get another call back, right? So make sure that's in far as you can without breaking it. And just drop it in for now. Now let's test the toilet.
Test it?
Yeah, so there could be a clip here to hold that. We'll put that on. Open up. There's no water to flush. Go ahead, yeah, flush. Go ahead, flush it. How is that a test? How's that a test? Okay, now you're going to open up the water.
Right.
You're going to turn the water which way?
Counterclockwise?
Counterclockwise.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going.
All the way?
All the way.
Right.
Open it up all the way.
All the way?
Okay. Yeah, all the way.
Okay.
We want to make sure the water level does not rise above the end of the bowl fill.
Got it.
Otherwise, we'll just fill into the bowl, right?
Yeah.
So we want to make sure it's below that.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see the original mark
Yeah.
that we want to be.
Right there.
And this can actually be adjusted here.
Mm-hmm.
More water, less water for quiet, right?
Yeah.
People want it quiet.
Mm-hmm.
You know how quiet that is.
Mm-hmm.
But we're going to leave it so it fills up faster.
Yeah.
Is there any leaks there? Put it underneath the bowl.
No.
Or underneath the back tank. There's no water, nothing.
No.
Everything's dry.
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like you did good. So while it's filling up, you start to clean up. Get your rag. Get your tools. Now, what is this for again?
That's for the water. The water goes in it.
Why? And where is that water going?
It's going back into the toilet.
Into the bowl.
Into the bowl.
Right? So you have the tank.
Yep.
And you have the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what feeds the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
And then the bottom of this is actually open.
That makes sense.
The bottom of this fill valve is also letting. And that's perfect. Look, it's shut off. So now is when we flush it. Give it a test. Now you can see the flappers up. It's going to stay up until it loses.
Yep.
It doesn't want to go down right away. It's designed to do that. Boom. Right?
Nice.
Because if it just dropped back down, it wouldn't allow the bowl to fill up.
That's right. That's right.
It wouldn't allow enough to flush.
Got it.
So once enough water pressure, the pressure of this water is what flushes the bowl.
Okay, makes sense.
It's not water pressure. It's just the weight of the water here is what forces down and flushes the bowl and goes out the bottom.
Got it.
Right?
Wow.
So this is filling the bowl, and then the flapper is what's allowing this standing water to flush into the bowl. So the combination of the water in the bowl and this is what flushes out, and then it refills.
That makes a lot of sense.
Christopher, let's close it up.
Let's go.
Put the cover back on.
Nice. Let's get ready to write the invoice.
There's no invoice. I own these properties.
I know, I was joking.
Okay? You're an electrician. You're not a plumber.
I was joking.
But I wanted you to do this so you could see when Pop's not around. And if you inherit, listen how quiet that is when you put that cover on.
Oh yeah, big difference.
All right, we see some water here. Let's clean up. Let's clean up.
Rags, yep.
Clean everything up. We don't leave any mess at all.